Hello inventors, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create Captcha app using MIT App Inventor. So let's start the project. So click on start new project and name is Captcha new app, and then OK. So that's our first screen. So we're going to use here one layout. In the left side you'll find the layout option and make sure choose the horizontal arrangement, this one, okay? And make this with this fill parent like this. Now we can use here one more layout, and that is vertical arrangement, this one. And make sure this one is the width and the height is the fill parent like this, and drag and drop that horizontal arrangement under the vertical arrangement like this. Now click on user interface and drag and drop your one button and drag and drop one text box like this, okay? Now submit captcha like this, and make sure click on this, make sure in the center, align should be the center like this. You can design that button to something. We need to use one more button, so I will just copy and paste this button, and that button name is regenerate captcha, regenerate. Now that's the second button that will regenerate the captcha. Now so we need to use here one extension. Go to that link, that is the Captcha to generate captcha image, okay? It's a free extension. I will give you that link in the description. So we need to download that extension. So it's the download direct link. So click on this, go to the MIT App Inventor and go to the extension, click on import extension and import that extension here, and just click on import. Done. Just drag and drop that extension here, and now let's go to the block section. So whenever someone initialize the screen, it means whenever someone open an app, so like this, we will call that the captcha. So just click on captcha, and as you can see, create layout. So drag and drop this here, and in which layout we have to create our captcha. So as you can see the layout, so I will choose that horizontal arrangement, click on this and drag and drop that horizontal arrangement here like this. Now wherever someone click on the button 1, it means wherever someone try to submit the captcha, okay? So we have to check that this captcha is right or wrong, right? So what I will do, I will just simply use here one thing, use the control, click on control, and as you can see here's the if condition. So just turn on that if condition and click on captcha, and as you can see it's the captcha code, this one, call this, click on that logic and see this one is equal, drag and drop this equal here and just drag and drop this captcha code here, and here we need to put the text box 1.text. So just click on this, and as you can see the text box 1.text is here. If the text box 1.text is equal to the captcha code, okay, maybe it can be, you know, like numeric or the alphabet, anything. If it's equal, then we will hide the horizontal arrangement, this one, okay? Like we will hide this, so we will use their false. As if the captcha is wrong, then we will display one message, okay, the captcha is wrong, something else. We will display one message. So go to the design section, user interface, and here you will find you can display the text. I will just remove the text from here, or I will change that text color to the right. This should look like a warning, okay, like this. And I will remove that text from here like this, go to the block, and whenever the captcha is wrong, so I will just display the text label 1.text, set label this text as wrong captcha. Use your text and then just drag and drop it here and just say wrong captcha like this, okay? Now that's the overall thing. So let me just try this one is working fine or not, but wait a second, we have to do one thing is important. Click on captcha. As you can see here, there's an option to set captcha image type, okay? This is important, so I will just move it here like this, okay, like this, and I will choose the type. So click on the captcha image, and as you can see here, here's the type both. You can choose the type number, alphabet or something. So I will choose the number like this. Done. So it's done. Now let me just try this in my phone. Let me see how this will work, okay? So as you can see, whenever we open our app, so as you can see, this one is the text we have to put. So let me just put any something else, right? Okay, suppose any wrong text, and let's click on submit captcha. See the wrong captcha. Let me just try to code the correct one is the 78465 and click on submit captcha. It's done. Okay, because what we have done, we've just hide that layout. So that's the overall app. If you need any help on that, so just comment in the video. I'll try my best to solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.